I got this Craftsman self-propelled mower in for repair. The guy that I got it from said it's been sitting in the lot next door to his house for a couple years, and he said another kid brought it over. Somebody was throwing it away. So I thought I'd take a look at it. It's got a Briggs & Stratton engine on it. Looks like it's hardly been used. The only thing that I notice offhand that it's missing is the bar for the self-propelled. And if this will fire up and run and operate well, I wouldn't mind investing in that for 'em. So let's take a look at it, see what's wrong with it, and see if we can get it fixed. Now before I spend any time on this, I want to make sure that the engine's not locked up. Check and see if there's some oil in it. If they ran it without oil, oh yeah. But if it was run without oil and the engine's froze up, it's not worth spending any time on it. Let me give it a pull. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, and we'll dig into it, see if we can get her going. Now another thing I take a look at is the blade, and it looks like it's in great shape. You don't want to turn that without having your spark plug wire unplugged, because you could start the engine. But the blade doesn't look like it's been bent or anything. Sometimes people hit a stake in the ground or a rock, and you'll see that the blade is bent, which also means that the key for the flywheel could have been either completely ruined or knocked off just a little bit. And if it is, then the timing's off and it won't start. But that looks like nothing. Looks good. Well, we know the gas is no good, because I was told this was sitting for over 2 years. There is some gas in it, so I'm going to dump that out, put some fresh in. We know we've got oil in it, and I'm just going to see what it does. That's brown. Not good. Sure could use a clean in here. Mercy. Okay, quick test. We get some starting fluid, spray it in the carburetor. Now if I do this and it starts up, that tells me I've got a fuel problem, not getting fuel to the carburetor. If it doesn't fire, then I'm going to check for spark. Let's check for spark. Plug looks okay. Okay, you plug that back in. Now this is metal here. If it's all plastic, which you'll find some are all plastic around there, then what I often do is just put the spark plug socket or something in there so you can rest that on the metal of the block. And you need to touch the base of the spark plug, and you're looking for spark right in there. Now, of course, to test this or to get it to run, you got to pull this. And I just put a clamp on there to hold it in place. Otherwise, the brakes on the flywheel, you can't pull it. And also, the kill wire is activated, so you're not going to get spark anyways. You've got to pull that. No spark. Nothing. Okay, we've got no spark. So our next test is going to be pull off this cover. And we're going to disconnect the kill wire from the coil. If you get spark after you disconnect the kill wire from the coil, then we've either got a short in the kill wire. Oh boy, she's dirty in there. Here's our coil right here. And here's our kill wire right here. Okay, what we're going to do is disconnect this kill wire. There we go. Now, we're going to check for spark. If we get spark with that disconnected, that means the coil is good. If we don't get spark, then that means the coil's shot. And I've got to put the cover back on to be able to test it. I don't see any spark. I am touching the metal. I think that coil's no good. And back this one off. Okay, we got our old coil here and just got a new coil. And it's a Chinese deal. I didn't want to put a lot of money into this. It was $10.95. As far as the design, that's good. And the kill wire clip, that's good. It's a little smaller, which will work out fine. If it was bigger, it might be hard to fit in there, so I'm not worried about that. This side out, can't miss that. We'll slide a business card in here, set the gap. There we go. Before I plug the kill wire back in, I'm going to go ahead and test this for spark. Hope we get spark now. Oh yeah! Yee-hee! Let's put her back together and see if she'll fire. I'm gonna give her a little shot of starting fluid. And we'll make sure she fires right up. She's all set to go. If this video is a help to you, give her a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects